Hey, this is Mike Fox with Window Repair Systems and WindowHardwareDirect.com. And this is kind of an interesting time that we're in right now, and I wanted to make a video to address our customers, our associates all across the country. Our number one goal is to keep everybody safe in the company, our customers and vendors. And as most other companies have been doing, we've been practicing social distancing. And with that, we have become more adaptive to this situation, and we are still in business. We are still helping people like yourselves. And with a couple of these things, we can do video meetings. We're still doing video field visits, but we're also doing hard field visits as well for customers that want to do this. Also video demos. So with video demos, we can demo exactly what kind of products we can put into your windows. This is what we would normally be doing on a field visit face-to-face. And we can also do video research. So you can FaceTime, Zoom, Google Hangouts, whatever is going to be easiest for you. You can literally walk up to the window and show us what do you have, and we can take a look and try to figure it out. According to New York and most of the states, we are considered an essential worker. So since we are a tradesman, we are still going to be working where we can, obviously practicing specific health guidelines for our service techs and our salespeople. I believe this is a good time for facilities people, anybody who's home doing home improvement projects. It's a good time to catch up on any bids that are going out. Any projects that may have been sitting back can now be pushed forward. Obviously, the health is the most important thing, where everybody's taking care of their school, their family, their people. But at the same time, there are still people working. There are still people doing things, and we are here to help. And so we are taking this time to help the facilities managers and project managers to actually get ahead. So when this does pass, we will be ready to do work. And so with that, we hope that everybody on the other side is healthy, stays healthy, and follows the guidelines. We are here to help. And so until next time, I'm Mike Fox, Window Repair Systems, WindowHardwareDirect.com. Thanks.